Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I have for you another Dollar Tree haul. There's regular stuff in here that you can go in and get any time of the year, and there's some seasonal stuff. Not only is it fall season, but guess what is seasonal now? They already are coming out with their Halloween. Yes, they're Halloween. And I went ahead and grabbed a few things just to show you what to look out for. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and grab a drink. I have my iced coffee. This is one of the things that I bought from the Dollar Tree today, and it's very good. It's the vanilla. And sit back and relax and let's get started. Okay. First, I want to show you, this is a whole set. I hope I got everything that was in the set. It's a 30 count. It's from, what is the name of it? Bolero. And it's Hydrating Cleansing Facial Wipes, Watermelon Sweet Mint. That's what that is. And I'm going to go ahead and open it, do a smell test for y'all. Oh my goodness. I'm impressed. You can really smell the watermelon with just a hint of that sweet mint, but it smells real good. Let me pop that back. I want to make sure it doesn't dry out by leaving the seal open. And this is called the Hydrating Paper Facial Mask. It's for all skin types, and it's the advanced formula. It's watermelon and sweet mint. You get one in it. And then in this here is the facial gel cleanser. It's hydrating, and it is, well, the watermelon and sweet mint, which is what I was going for. When I seen it, I said, oh my God, I have to look and make sure they've got everything. But that's that. And this is the hydrating body oil. It's for face, body, and hair. And again, it's all skin types. And it's boxed like this. I'm going to open this up and see. They have it taped. And it's a pretty good sized little container. Oh, and look at how cute. It even has the name on the little bottle there. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and show you these iced coffees just to let you know. This one's in the jar, and it's called Raspberry Mocha. I got one of them to try it out. And I got the 15% more in the container too. And it's the iced latte chilled coffee drink and mocha. It's 11 full ounces. And I got the vanilla. It's already in my glass. And one more in the food section. I've already been in these. I had to test them, and they're real fresh, and they're real good if you like pecan swirls. And it's from Tasty Cake. But they're soft, you know, and fluffy the way they're supposed to be, and they taste just as good as going to another store and paying more for them for $1. Okay, I'm going to start over here. I got, this is new. I've never seen it on any other haul or in a store or anything. And it's called Daily Defense Naturally Inspired Benefits. No sulfates and no okay, I can't pronounce that word, but anyway, it's a hydrating coconut enriched with hibiscus oil, and it's the conditioner, and it's 16 full ounce. There's this one. And then there's the shampoo. I looked to see if they had like mousse or hairspray of it, and this is all that I found. If anybody's found anything else that goes with this, leave it in a comment, please, and let me know. That way I'll know to be on the lookout for it. And if I find any of the other stuff, if they have it, then I'll have it here in another haul. And I got some more of this Bath and Beauty Makeup Brush Cleanser. It's a rinse-free formula, and it's quick drying, 5 full ounces. I bought one of these before, and as long as I put something up and keep putting it in the same place, then I don't lose it. But if I put it up and get it and then think, you know, I'm going to put it in a good spot, I always lose it. It's called Thelma's Room of the Lost Things. I've got enough to fill a room. And now that I bought this one, I might find the other one. Okay, and I'm going to show these. It's from Crafts Square. It's hard to do it with one hand, but it's a utility knife set. It's one of those knives, and it's got all the different blades you can take off and put. The only thing it doesn't have is a protective cover sleeve over them. But I mean, it's a 6 blades in one of the handles, and it looks like I had them tape it. It was the last one, and someone had apparently wanted a better look at it, like you couldn't see it. I mean, you can see it, right? And anyway, they taped it up for me, and I was fine with that. And then there's, from Crafts Square, these little chalkboard tag clothespins. There's 4 of them. Little bitty chalkboards. And then on the back, you have the clothespins. How cute. And then there's these, one is, they're metallic markers. One is blue and one is silver. Whoops. One is blue and silver. And I bought the little chalkboards, and I have some of the chalkboard name tags, and I was right there where I could have got one of those chalk pens. They had them in all different colors, and it was right there, and it should have been a hint: chalkboard, chalk pens. But that's another reason and excuse for me to go back and get something else. Okay, and I'm going to get into the makeup real fast. Let me grab a few of them in my hand here. Excuse me. Alright, this is from LA Colors. It's a highlighter, and it's called Glow Time. There's this one. Look how shiny. I love that shade. And this one is called Shine Bright. I just love the shades of them. Now one of them is going to be for me, and one of them is going to go in the giveaway. Let me hold this. And there you can see the difference in the shades. I just can't tell which I think is the prettiest, because I love highlighter. And this is a Wet n Wild, very black, full healthy lashes with soy protein enriched. It says enhance and define mascara. It's a pretty shade of the case. I like that. It's pretty. And then there's some from Broadway. It's black. It's Super Hold Eyelash Adhesive. That's pretty nice. I didn't dawn on me that it was black until I just seen it here. I just seen that it was Broadway and for eyelashes, and that's a pretty good idea to make it black to match your eyeliner and your mascara and everything. And then there's black LA Colors Smudge Proof Auto Eyeliner. Thought I'd try this. And here's some fashion eyelashes. I thought those are real nice. I thought I'd get those to, now this is for the giveaway I'll put in during one of my, put stuff in the giveaway box for the contest when I'm doing a DIY. And then there's another thing of LA Colors Dramatic Lash Adhesive. There's 2 little containers there. And then there's this, it's called Beauty Benefits Glow with the Flow Bronzer. Look at that shade. That is just gorgeous. I love it. I think I'm going to use this on my next makeup video that I do. I think, you know, I didn't even notice it must have got dropped, but it's cracked right in there. I guess it's all in the thing under the container and everything. Oh well. And then the next is called Sunflower 3-color eyeshadow from LA Colors. Look at these shades. They're gorgeous. I love them. And then there's Beige Pressed Powder from LA Colors. I just love that shade. Beige. It's pretty. And the last 2 in the makeup is a navy LA Colors Auto Eyeliner. The color of it is navy. Whoops. And then LA Colors Big Lengthens Lashes, and it's new full effect brush, and it's called Beyond Black. Okay, put that bag over there. Now I'm going to show this first. This is some of the fall that I got. I'm going to get this out before I end up dropping it. This says, be blessed, be thankful. It's one of those Topri pumpkins. They have them, but they didn't have them at this store. They're supposed to be white and like a purple tint to it, but I'll have to keep looking for them. And then I found some more of these hydrangeas. There's 2 of them there. That's how fluffy one is. And there's these pigs. They have pumpkins on them too. And pine cones. I couldn't think of the name of it. Pine cones. Look how pretty. And I love the orange leaves and the berries. There's one. And then they have them with sunflower and a pine cone and the berries. Look at those colors. I love them. They're so beautiful. And another one with the, well, the sunflower fell. But anyway, another one. Just stick that sunflower over there. And then they have one with, it's called a fall pick. That's what these are called. And this kind of flower here. Alright, and the last of the stuff that I have is these. Let me get one of each. Here's the picks. We have a beautiful red and black rose on it and a black glittered skull. No, you don't. Go on, baby. Go on. You'll knock the camera down. Go on. Go on. Sorry about that. Trying to come in between the camera legs to me. Okay, here's the one with the purple. Look at all that glitter and the detail of that skull. I think I was showing you this one. And they have red berries, big red berries. You might be able to see it right there. And the skull. And then there's, instead of a silver skull, it's a silver pumpkin. Let me see if there's a silver skull in here. No, the silver ones are all pumpkins. Okay, and the last thing, which they get these in every year, but I was shocked when I seen them. Just like I was shocked when I seen the flower picks. But I got one of each of these tree branches with the glitter. You know which one I'm talking about. And they already have these out. And these were the only colors. I think this is the only colors that they come in. But anyway, that's it. I want to thank y'all for stopping by and checking out my haul. If you enjoyed it, please click that thumbs up button. It'll really help my channel grow. Share the video with friends and subscribe to I can't talk. Subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that little bell right next to it. That way you won't miss any future videos that I upload, and you'll become part of my family here on YouTube. I would really love to include you. And if you subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know you subscribed. That way I'll have your username ID to write it down and put it in the contest drawing. Alright, have a great day. Bye.